I'm Suikou Miura. This time I will write beautiful Japanese. This is a kanji and it's read as kiyoi and sei. It means very green. It's a kanji that are often used in Japanese names. What is beautiful or green for you? For me, there are other beautiful things besides Japanese calligraphy. That is my family. My husband is always helpful to me, and my children are very cute. I feel that my family loves me, and my love for my family is very beautiful. The feeling of love cleans my heart. Thank you for watching my video. See you again. Bye.